Basic sentence components. My mother is a teacher. She likes apples. They watch cartoons. Basic pronouns. We play in the park. My dad drives us to school. Possessive adjectives. This is my book. Is that your pencil? His cat is black. Her doll is new. The dog wags its tail. Our house is big. Their teacher is kind. Articles. A cat. A boy. An apple. An orange. The sun is hot. The dog is sleeping. Basic questions. Is he happy? Do you like pizza? Who is that girl? What is this? It is a ruler. Where is your school? When do you wake up? Present simple. I eat breakfast every morning. She doesn't like milk. Do you play football? Present continuous. The baby is sleeping now. We are not watching TV. Is your mom cooking dinner? Past simple. I visited my grandma yesterday. He didn't finish his homework. Did they go to the zoo? Future simple. I will help you with your bag. She won't be late for class. Will it be sunny tomorrow? Nouns. English is my favorite subject. I want to buy a birthday cake. He give his girlfriend a ring. I have talked to Mrs. Hoa several times. John is an excellent student. They recognize Tommy the best staff of the year. Verbs. She teaches in a high school. He runs in the park every morning. She often wakes up early. He rarely plays games. Close the door, it is raining heavily. Open the book, kids. Wait for me 5 minutes. Listen to me and I will tell you. She is very beautiful. He is short and fat. Adjectives. A sunny day. A beautiful picture. A cat is afraid. This cat is so cute. This cake seems delicious. I feel bored these days. This food tastes sweet. She looks happy when she watches TV. This sounds great. Roses usually smell aromatic. Adverbs. We often get up at 7 a.m. The foreigner speaks slowly enough for us to understand. We have recently finished my homework. Jen drove so fast that she caused an accident. She is very polite. The nurse told me to breathe in slowly. The French speaks too quickly. Last summer, I came back my country. 2 verb or verb ing structures. I want to be a teacher. I dislike getting up early. I like getting up early. They plan to visit the zoo. She hopes to see her friends. We agree to help our teacher. I learned to sing English songs. She enjoys reading books. We practice speaking English every day. He keeps playing games after school. They finish doing homework at 8 o'clock. I like to get up early. She loves singing English songs. They hate to do homework at night. Modal verbs. He can't ride a bike. Can I sit here? You should go to bed early. You need to study hard for the exam. You must get up at 7 a.m. I may visit Hanoi City tomorrow. She can swim. He can't dance. Can she swim? Comparison. Today is hotter than yesterday. The rabbit is faster than the turtle. This hat is more beautiful than that one. The blue whale is the biggest animal in the world. Exclamatory sentences. What a nice day. What a good dog. What beautiful flowers. How fast you ran. Such cute jeans. Prepositions of time. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. At 7 o'clock, at 3 p.m., at night. On Tuesday, on my birthday, on March 10th, on Christmas Day. Since Monday, since 2000, since March, since yesterday. For 3 days, for a long time, for 2 hours. From Monday to Sunday, from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m., from birth. Prepositions of place. On the table, on the desk, on the wall. In the classroom, in a row, in a line. Under the table, under the desk, under the wall. Mai is sitting next to a boy. The bakery is next to the bookstore. The girl behind the door. Stay close behind me. I sat down between Mai and Lai. I am standing between my brother and sister. To be present. I am a singer. He is not a teacher. Is he a teacher? To be past. I was tired yesterday. He wasn't at home yesterday. Were you absent yesterday? To be future. She will be fine. She won't be happy. Will she be home tomorrow? Other examples. She walks to school every day. The earth orbits the sun. The train leaves at 6 p.m. I am a student. She isn't a bad girl. What is your name? I'm learning English right now. She's reading a book at the moment. I'm painting a picture. They sold bicycles. She ate an apple last night. He didn't build that building. Did she eat an apple last night? I was tired yesterday. He wasn't at home yesterday. When did the accident happen? She will be fine. She won't be happy. Will she be home tomorrow? She has seen that film. I can do it. She can swim. He can't dance. Can she swim? She should go to bed. Seeds become trees. Boys fly their kites. Birds fly. Alex laughs. I am not a student. Is she a good person? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Who is she? What are they? He is studying for his exams these days. They are meeting their friends tonight. We are learning English. He isn't preparing for the examination. What are you doing? Are you going to the zoo? She is pretty. This is a small house. He often plays football. She speaks slowly. There is a garden in front of the house. There are 3 bedrooms. My school is big. Her pen is red. Their books are blue. What is your name? Where do you live? Who is she? How are you today? Why are you sad? How many rooms are there? When do you go to school? Under the table. Under the desk. Under the wall. Mai is sitting next to a boy. The bakery is next to the bookstore. The girl behind the door. Stay close behind me. I sat down between Mai and Lai. I am standing between my brother and sister. At 7 o'clock. On Monday. In May. In 2020. In the morning. Open your book. Sit down, please. Don't run in the classroom. What a nice day. How fast you ran. It's so beautiful. Such a nice cake. I get up at 6. I have breakfast at 7. I go to school by bike. I get up at 6. I have breakfast at 7. I go to school by bike. I can do it. Seeds become trees. Boys fly their kites. Birds fly. Alex laughs. I am not a student. Is she a good person? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Who is she? What are they? He is studying for his exams these days. They are meeting their friends tonight. We are learning English. He isn't preparing for the examination. What are you doing? Are you going to the zoo? They are equals there. We are equals we're. You are equals you're. It is equals it's. Us to explore, learn more, and create a brighter, more meaningful future. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.
Đăng ký kênh nhé. Xin chân thành cảm ơn.